Brand new video today on Sundial Growers, ticker symbol SNDL. Sundial is sitting at 61 cents at the time of this video. Again, still early in the trading day, up 4.3% on the day. If we take a look at the chart, we can see here over the last 1 month or so, Sundial's Growers has honestly been climbing over the past, I'd say, 10 days or so. You can see here was down, trading at 47 cents. On March 14th and has been climbing ever since. And really over the last 3 months, you can see here starting to climb back up to those kind of last 3 months all-time highs that we did see around 66 cents. But again, this is a stock that I have actually been covering on this channel since I started making videos on this channel. This is Sundial stock on February 9th of 2021, so over 1 year ago. Sundial stock was at $1.58. And in that video, I talked about how Sundial was continuing to surge, and I just gave a generalized stock update on it. A lot of people early on were putting a lot of weight into SNDL options, more specifically. But SNDL has had a pretty crazy ride. I mean, I think anyone holding SNDL, like if you take a look at the last 2 years for SNDL, right, all-time high $3.96 on February 8th, 2021. This stock was at $3.96. Now, for me personally, just to keep it as transparent as possible, I bought into SNDL. I'm still holding SNDL stock. I got in right around this time, so I was up quite a significant amount at $3.96, and I, in fact, did not sell at all. Did not sell, just to be transparent. I didn't sell here, I didn't sell here, I didn't sell here, and I'm still holding the same bag that I have of SNDL that I got in right here. And I mean, of course, I regret not selling here, but I'm looking to get back to at least the $1 levels before I think about selling, in my opinion. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, and I just do want to preface again, this is not financial advice, but I wanted to go over SNDL stock again because it seems to be kind of creeping back up, right? Seems to be. If you take a look at the last month, we're seeing it right here, just continuing to climb up. And some exciting things because the earnings are coming out in 6 days from now, March 29th, 2022. All right, so I'm just going to go over a few things in regards to SNDL. Let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. So you can see here, this is official press release by Sundial Growers. Sundial Growers to announce year-end and fourth quarter 2021 financial results on March 29th, 2022. Sundial will host a conference call and webcast at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time on March 30th, 2021, so a week after they release, or a few days after, the next day, sorry, after they release those financial results, they're going to have a conference call on March 30th and a webcast. You can see here, to access the live webcast, follow this link. Make sure you guys, if you're, holding SNDL, looking to hold SNDL, that you take a look at that webcast, because I think there will be some significant resource and information from that webcast. So March 29th, right, the earnings are coming out, right? Very, very positive. Hopefully we get some positive news in regards to the earnings. Okay, the street article here, 3 reasons to buy Sundial Grower stock ahead of earnings. Cannabis company SNDL will report earnings on March 30th. Here are 3 reasons why to buy SNDL right now. Now again, this is the street article, just wanted to share with you guys. So Sundial earnings should impress again. For quarter 3, Sundial posted net earnings of 11.3 million Canadian. That's impressive considering the positive earnings are still a rarity in the cannabis industry. Investors also got excited over news of a 100 million share repurchase program. This is a reflection of the high dilution made by the company in recent years, which has increased the number of outstanding shares by more than 2,000% since the company's IPO. Also, Sundial's CEO Zach George said that the company's strong balance sheet shields it from the short-term pressures, and that the company's financial goals are to have a positive cash flow by 2022. Here we are in 2022. We'll see if that's the case. For quarter 4, Sundial is looking to repeat its Q3 outlook. It's expected that the company will report 25 year-over-year revenue growth totaling 13.8 million. The inclusion of newly acquired Spirit Leaf's total revenues is expected to drive some of its growth. But even more importantly, investors are anticipating an announcement about the company's Alcanna acquisition. Now, this is official on, I believe, their website as far as press releases yet. Sundial announces extension of Alcanna arrangement agreement outside date, right? So Alcanna, you can come back here to this article. Sundial has been planning acquisition of liquor retailer Alcanna. The deal is expected to be finalized by the end of March. $346 million acquisition is part of a possible due to cash raise from the massive dilution of SNDL shares in 2021. Let me know in the comments below if you guys were a part of that massive dilution, because I definitely was. The company gave this gave the company $721 million in cash to pursue its acquisition plans. When the deal finalizes, Alcanna can help Sundial build a vertically integrated portfolio of Canadian brands. Alcanna is Canada's largest private liquor retailer with 171 locations. Take that in. SNDL is acquiring Alcanna, right? Read this right here. So Alcanna's value-focused model in liquor retailing has created market stability, and we believe that the replication of this playbook in cannabis has a strong potential to drive a similar result. So that's the first, catalyst is the Alcanna acquisition. Obviously, the earnings coming up 6 days from now. Nova Cannabis, which is the company in which Alcanna is the majority shareholder, will also become a part of SNDL. Following a Sundial's pending acquisition of our majority shareholder Alcanna, we will gain a cannabis-focused partner that is committed to supporting our value-based model with the infrastructure and financial resources to drive the expansion of our disruptive strategy at a much larger scale. So that's pretty bullish to me as well. All right, so with the earnings coming up, and they're looking, obviously, the earnings are looking to be positive once again. Alcanna acquisition, as well as the triple-digit scale sales increase with the Nova Cannabis brand. I definitely think there's some bullish sentiment right now with SNDL, right? In my opinion, right? And then there's this other article, SNDL stock has two ways to dramatically increase in price. There was the delisting threat that we had talked about on this channel. Early 2020, it was trading at $1 range. Obviously, Nasdaq minimum listing price requires that tickers maintain a price above $1 or face delisting from the exchange. February 8th, Sundial was granted a 180-day extension to regain compliance within those requirements. The extension came on the heels of a similar warning of August 9th of last year. The result is that now Sundial has until August 8th of this year to be over $1. However, it could lead a boost in SNDL stock prices, as Sundial could undertake a reverse stock split to pump up prices. It seems unlikely that Sundial would choose to do so prior to August 9th of this year in any case. So that's important to keep in mind as well with SNDL stock, that it does need to get back over that $1. I think 10 consecutive trading days needs to be over $1 to maintain that Nasdaq compliance, obviously at 60 cents right now. So they are doing everything I think they can to get over that $1 range. But earnings coming up March 29th, you guys don't miss out on the earnings. Definitely that webcast the following day. Again, let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about Sundial stock right now. A couple of reasons to be bullish on this stock for sure, in my opinion. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video, and as always, have a great day.